This is a short screencast to show you how I use my computer to save autotext comments that I insert into the beginning of every student script that I mark, and it shows them some information you can see here about how I mark and perhaps some abbreviations that I might use when I'm marking my marking system. So the autotext is just the same as we've done before. If you highlight the section you want to be pasted in automatically, go to Insert, Autotext, New, and I tend to call this Higher, because it's quick and easy to type and tends to be fairly unique. I'm typing in a Word document, so I can save that. You'll notice that this is a generic comments file that I keep for when I'm marking, and I already have it set up in the same font and colour as the learning outcomes grids. And further down here you can see I use a general bank of comments, and I do actually copy these from TMA, from presentation to presentation, and I tend to find that obviously you need to edit them for each question, but because the students are making a lot of the same mistakes in TMA 1 that they would make in any presentation, so such as here we've got, you need to place the items in a sensible order, which is a pretty common thing to say to the students on that first question where they're usually interpreting a paragraph of data into a table. So I've got some sort of standard answers here, and quite often they can be reused from presentation to presentation. I use a couple of shortcut keys and other things to make copying and pasting a little bit quicker. So one thing I do is quite often I'll triple click, which means that the whole sentence gets highlighted, and then you can either right click with your mouse and copy, or you can use, here on the Apple it's Command C or Control C on your keyboard to copy that, and then Control V or right click to paste it in. Another one to do is if you move your mouse over to the left, it will highlight a whole sentence right across the page for you. Obviously you can drag that down and copy a paragraph quite quickly.